So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start with a website. So for any digital marketer, what we need to have website or app. So we will start with website. We will design how to design website through WordPress. Do you know HTML and CSS?
Coding wise, just I know what is the title, headers, how to give, but
Basic.
not in depth, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
very basic.
Very basic. Okay. Fine. So these are the things for SEO that is important. For making a website, you need to have a coding. That is, for example, to build website, we need coding skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or if you want to make any functionality wise PHP or React, like this we have many things, and we have front end, back end, full stack. These are the different type of coding skills you need to have to create a website. Okay, so these are required for any to create, but for us, we are not having that much coding skills. We don't know how to create a website. So for that, we have one software called CMS. Okay, what is called CMS? Content Management Systems. Okay, so in this content management systems, you can create a website without coding. Okay, there is nothing coding is involved, just drag and drop is involved, you can do. In that we have many companies like WordPress, okay, Wix, okay, and we have Shopify, we have Magento, like this many websites are there. So here you don't have any coding skills, you can learn it easy and you can build a website. So we will learn website through WordPress. So here also, why WordPress? Because the other things also there. Here WordPress is prominently involved, and a lot of people take this WordPress because of its themes and plugins. So there are many free plugins and themes are there. So that is why a lot of people opted for this. Okay. Whereas others also have not that much. Okay. They are limited. So that is why people go for WordPress websites. Okay. People like us, we don't know any coding, just we can build any website, whether it's a small website or medium website or any functionality website like Naukri, or if you want to build classified website like Suleka, Jazrael, that also property listing sites. What name any, you can build any website. So that is the thing is there. Okay, fine. So today we will learn how to create this one. Okay, how to create a WordPress website. So as I said, WordPress belongs to the CMS system, content management systems. Okay. So before that, if you want to build website, so what we need to have? Domain and hosting. Okay. So we need to have knowledge about domain and hosting. Without domain hosting, you can't build website. That can be, if you have built also, that will be in your computer itself. Okay. So how to create, to build up, we need a domain and server. Okay. So what are these and what are here also we have different types of domains and different types of servers. What are those? How we need to take everything? We will learn this. So basics very important for us. Tomorrow, if you go for any freelancing, you can tell to your customers. So they may ask what is domain, what is hosting. So we can explain easily. Okay. First domain. So what is domain? Can you name it? What is domain?
Yeah, domain is the like www.companiesname.com.
Correct, correct. So we can say name of the business or company, whatever. Wait, okay. Okay. What you said is correct. Domain is just name of the business. For example, my name is Vijay. So I can take vijay.com. Okay. If you are going for any other company, for example, if it is a Flipkart. So Flipkart is what? Domain. Amazon is called domain name. Okay. Some companies will take on the company's name. Some companies will take other depends on the keyword. So their possibility or they want to have a different websites also. It is not that the company should have only the domain name of the business only. If, for example, my name is Vijay, if I don't want to take vijay.com, I can go for digitalmarketing.com or digitalmarketingservices.com. I can take that also. It is not that compulsory I need to relate it. So it depends on the category, niche, whatever the domain you want to take, you can take. Okay. So
Okay.
simply we can say name of the business. Okay. So there are when it started, actually when domain started in early 80s or 90s, we can say early 90s domains are started. Okay. We have it. Okay. So here, 1983 to 84, the name DNS is created. What is DNS? Domain name system. Okay. So we have a domain name system. So regularly we'll use this. We hear DNS whenever we go to the creative website. So DNS is my domain name system. This is created by this person, Mark Petrus and John Postel. Okay. So these are the domain names linked to the IP address. IP address, IP address are different numerical numbers. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So 1985, what it started, domain name symbolics.com register. Okay, first computer manufacture company taken. After that, the commercialization internet become. Okay, till that, not people are aware. So some companies only aware, knowledge of this, they have taken. After that, slowly in US, it started widely. Okay, so people began to take the domain. They have taken the domain registration to the public. They have opened also. Any company or any individual can take the domain. So for that, they started with the name registrations. So 1998, what it happened? So one corporation has formed. That name is called ICANN. So ICANN full form is Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers. Okay. This establish what they will do. They are the main organization. They will give a license to any company to sell the domains. Okay. They are the only persons and they are the authority. Okay. These persons have the authority of the giving this. Present, you are seeing a lot of domains are taking, you are taking a lot of domains. So whenever you are taking any domain, this icon will be there. Okay. I will show that also. So in domain, what exactly we will have? Okay. So when you take the domain or if you hit any website, there you find HTTPS, as you said, www, or second level domain is abc.com, that is name flipkart.com, amazon.com, Amazon, or top level domain. So these are the four components are there in a domain. So HTTPS, www, amazon.com we will type. Okay. So these are the four things. Okay. So what is HTTP stand for? HTTP stand for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. S for secure. Earlier also we have HTTP only. Okay. So here HTTP is there, HTTP SC is there. So 2 years back, a lot of people lot of domain will have the HTTP only. Nowadays, every company is providing free domain, okay, HTTPS. So a lot of website you can see they are HTTPS only. Before that, if you want, people used to buy HTTP only. If you want to make S, they have to buy separately SSL. So what is SSL? Soft,
Software secure level.
soft, software, software. Something is it? Soft layer security or soft secure layer. Okay. Something is it SSL. So what it will be? It creates a S. Okay. If you take this HTTP, then only it could have been created like a HTTPS. What it will do? It will secure. Okay. If you go for any website, for example, if I type HTTP is Amazon, if I type Amazon, here you can see the locked version. Okay, so what it means, if your domain is locked, means that is S secure. So here there is some kind of a protection is there for this website. So anybody cannot hack easily. It takes lot of time. Okay, so that is why now websites are very secure. Why websites are very secure? If you go for Amazon, so what we will do? We'll buy the product and services. Lot of credit cards, debit cards, we will use that. Okay, there is a transaction of money is happening. So we need to be secure. Then only our website will be secure. For Amazon, okay. For individual website, if it is a educational website, why that is also needed? Because tomorrow we don't know which person will hack that website. If it is very prominent, if you are doing good SEO or digital marketing for that, tomorrow somebody hacked the website. What happened? Your all the effort may be wasted. So that is why you need to have a compulsory. Even Google also saying that every website should be the S. Okay, HTTP S only. Have to be secure. Tomorrow, whichever the user is coming, if he should feel the secure. Okay. So this is the main thing. Okay, we have gone for this. And we have a different types of domains. One is TLDs, second is second level domains, subdomains, and GLDs. What are these? We will see. Top level domains commonly used such as .com, .org, .net. These are generic. Okay, generic TLDs. Okay, generic TLDs is .com. So widely used .com. Whenever you go, a lot of websites we have seen only .com. Okay, so why it is promoted like this? Initially, .com only started. The people has taken that. What is the meaning of .com? So
For
simple.
community purpose.
Yeah. .com means commercial.
Um,
Okay. So you are taking what you are doing with website. You are commercial. You are want to get, you want to sell the product or you want to showcase anything. So that is why commercial has started. So what is ORG represents?
Organization.
Sorry. Yes, correct. Organization. What is .NET represent?
.NET might be networking.
Network. Correct. Okay. So like this, we have a many things also. Okay. So usually these are the some level. So we have a something like GOV. What this represent?
That's government.
Government websites. Correct. Okay. So we have some these also. What is this? Education. Okay.
Yeah.
Some universities, big universities. Whenever you see, they will have EDU. Okay. So they can go for EDU. For that, the registration may be different. So for that, they have to produce some legal documents for that. Individuals, we can't take it. Individuals
Okay.
can't take government websites. Okay, we can't take GOV. We can take .NET Commerce ORG very easily. Okay, but we can't take GOV or EDU. That is protected because if a lot of people will take, what happened? There will be a other story. Okay.
Yeah.
So after this, as we said, these are the MIL means military. These are certain entities. They are protected entities, we can say. And after that, we have started CCTLD. What is CCTLD? Country code. Like .US means United States. .UK means United Kingdom. .in means India. CN means China. Like this, we have many country codes CLDs also. Okay. After that, here there is a hierarchy. What is hierarchy? ABC is a name actually, and we have a .com. Okay. So here, whenever, for example, you have your domain is become a prominent. Okay. You want to start separately. You want to give a separate identity to your website. Okay. So like this, we can do blogs. If you are writing a blogs intensively. So you want to create a separate entity for that, you can do that. Blog.com, abc.com also you can create. That is the subdomains. Okay. Already you are in the same abc.com. For that you want to make a separate division. Okay, category. Okay. For that you created subdomains also. So these are the things. Nowadays, whenever you're seeing domains, we have a lot of different domains also. Some maybe you can see .coms. Sometimes you can do co.in. Some domains are XYZ also. Some domains are AI. So evolution has begun like anything. Okay.
Yeah.
So here, where to purchase all these things? Okay, in India we can purchase this through GoDaddy. We have many
Yeah.
companies like BigRock, HostGator, Reseller, Hostinger, Namecheap, all these things. These are the companies. Okay, where you can buy the domains. Okay, we'll go to GoDaddy to find out how to buy the domain. GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy is a company. This is ICANN is given the registration to sell the domains. ICANN comes here. ICANN is a international organization. They only give the license to the these people only, so they can sell. If they sell any domain, they will give some part of amount. How much is depends. So, for example, you take 100 rupees, they can give you 5 rupees or 10 rupees per domain. Okay, so that is the registration fees they will give to the ICANN. So here you can see the GoDaddy. Okay, this is the complete. Okay, this is the complete thing. Okay, dashboard. So where you can take, this is the search bar. You want to take any domain, you can take here. Whether it is .com, whether it's a .org or co.in, whatever you want, you can take. So before that, what you need to type, you have to specify your name. So here I want to take my name only, Vijay. I want to start digital, Vijay digital. Okay, I'll see whether it is available or not. So first we need to search here so that this domain is available or not. If I click on this, so here it is saying that Vijay Digital is already taken by somebody. Some broker has taken, so they are asking this much. Okay, so I'll come to later on this. So apart from we can't take this one, this if you want to take, you have to give this amount. So there is a other options also there. It is not that oh, if it is .com is available, not available, we can't create a website. We can create a website. So you can take XYZ also, and you can take shop also, global also, IVO also, press also, tech like this. Many options GoDaddy has given. Okay. So which one you want to choose? It's your choice. Okay. So you need to go for this. Whether you want to take this, if you want to go for this, or you can want to go this, it depends on your own. Okay, you have to choose it. Okay, so it is not that compulsory that .com only you have to take. A lot of people have a mess, and they have a confusion also. If .com is not there, their website will be not seen uh, in the internet, or when they type, they will not see in the Google. Google also will take some, give some restriction. There is nothing like that. So you can take any domain. So it is only the possibility. Initial years, whenever it is started in 80s or 90s or 2000, lot of people have taken .com only. Now availability is not there because every company need the website. So it is very difficult to give .com. It is very difficult to get .com also nowadays. Okay, if you got it, fine. Otherwise, it is very difficult. You can go for any other extension also. These what we call, these are the extension. Dot agency is a extension. Dot life is an extension. You can take. Okay, so it's your choice. And here you can see the here are the some of the, here the price is also, you can see the difference. Somebody are some lowest, some are the highest. Why is like that? Okay, so why is like that? Because sometimes some websites are taken already. Okay, for example, last year some website has taken, it might be this website is taken last year or before last year. They have taken, they have used it, after that they have left. So for that website, they are already done the digital marketing, or they are in already in online. They have the digital presence in the online. So for that, they are giving a premium. They are charging a premium price. Okay, if already website is there, that is why these dot shop, these are new website, newly created extension websites. So they don't have any digital presence. That is why they are getting a low price. Or this might be different, even this also. Okay, so here you have to take any one of them. It depends on yourself. So here what I'll do, I'll go for this one, or I'll go for,
Like again, if we are taking the used ones, then we have to again rebuild our website, right?
yes, yes. It depends. It is not that you have to take this one. If it is a really, what is your ultimate goal? How you want to go to your customer? If I take this XYZ, some people may think dot XYZ, this may be spam website. Okay. They think if you are done SEO also, they see some people may think like that also. XYZ means some, we don't know what is this website. So that is why we have to care about our extensions as well. If it is something like global, or if it is a tech also, okay. Okay, or if it is online is also okay, or agency is also okay. If you want to go for this, you can take this one. So whenever people see this Vijay digital dot agency, means what? Okay, fine, it might be agency, so they will not think that much. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is a agency. How you want to go to your customers, you have to think like that only. Okay, you want to promote your website. Okay, so whenever you're promoting, it will this extension, this link will go to the users. That's how you want to reach them. Here I'm clicking this. So what I can do, I have taken this website. Okay, so I can continue from here. So here, whenever I see here, next level it is again, it is asking the full domain protection. So additionally, they are charging something. Why they are charging something? These are the things. They will have the two-factor verification or hijacking or spoofing that will protect. There is an additional 600 rupees. If you want to take, okay. Otherwise, there is no. It's up to you. Some companies go for, big companies will go for this because they don't want, after that they will have the problem. Okay, and
Yeah.
here you can see the credibility with the customer emails. So we will have the domain emails. So if you want to have a domain emails separately, you need to pay this much. If you go for this, for every email, you will get a 10 GB extra. Okay. If you go for from here also, if you take the this domain from here also, you can take get the emails, but not this much. Uh, uh, this much memory. Okay, you will have
Okay.
less memory. One MB or 2 MB or 10 MB like that you will get. Okay, so this is the additional cost, or else you can go to the continue. Now we have came to this position. Our card. Finally, we got it. So it is showing how much? 14,650. So why this much? So initially we have seen 173 only. Okay. Now we are telling 14,000. Why? Because here you can see. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So here they have charging for 5 years. If you want to go for 5 years, so every domain is has a renewal period. It is not that today we have taken entire domain will be stay with life. It is
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
yearly. Some people will take yearly. Some people take 2 years or 3 years or 10 years. It depends on you only. For example, if I want to take for 1 year, how much it will be charged. So here you can see how much is charging 171. If I take for 1 year, it is charging 171. If I go for 2 years, it is charging this much 3,000. Okay. So initially you want to go for this. Later on, you can go other things also. So now it is done. Okay. So you need to go for checkout. Okay. So this is if you are this is the billing. So the GST will be added separately added. So you can complete the purchase. Okay. So if you go for this, what are the options of the available? We have the all options. Okay. This is already there actually. So that is why so we have a many options like credit card, debit card, UPI payment, whatever you want, you can take a domain easily. So it is already created. Okay. So I'm not taking this one, just so like this, we can go for it. If you want to take for 1 year or 2 years, whatever the thing, the price you want to take, after that, the payment is done. So what you will get, then you can go to your, then you can go to your dashboard. This is my dashboard, my profile. So this is my profile. Okay. So here I can see if I taken the domain, I can see the products. Products means the domains. Okay. So here I can see my all domains. So currently we don't have any, so that is why it is not listing. Otherwise, your website is there. Here you can see your whatever the website. So from here, the domain is taken. Okay. So domain is taken. So what is next? Okay. What is next? Next is the thing is we need to go for server. Okay. So domain like this we will take. So next what we need to go? We need to go for server. Before that, so I want to tell more about domain. So once again I'll go. Till here you got it no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So apart from again we will search for code idea again my code. Okay, so here you can see why this person is selling more. So what happened? So here some people also do some business over here. Okay, what is that business? The business is called domain flipping. Okay, what is that called? Domain flipping. Okay, so what is they do? Some people will take some domains, so they will guess. Okay, it is the only guessing thing only. You have to be. Sometimes if you have accurate, you will get more money. For example, I have taken Vijay Digital. Okay, .com. So these people will take more .coms only. So they will assume. For example, they will take another thing also. For example, Flipkart .in. If it is .com is taken by Flipkart, so they will go for .org like this. Okay, Amazon dot whatever the things assuming .net. Okay, so they will take like this. What happened? So if anybody is typing this information, okay, if I need this one, how much I need to pay? I need to pay this much, 12,990, nearly 13,000 he is charging. Okay, so he has taken for 200 rupees or something. Okay, he will purchase for 200 rupees, and now he is selling for whatever the price, 10,000, or depends on the earlier. Sometimes what happened, some earlier also some people have taken, they left the website, they are not renewed. Their online presence is very good. They may purchase for 1,000 rupees also. They see that also. Okay, after that they purchase. They will hold this until and some people may buy. Okay, so if some people want this desperately, they will buy. Okay, some people will take according to the organization. They will search the different organization, big organization. So like this also they search and they will take it. Tomorrow those organizations need the domain. Okay, then they will ready to pay that much also. This called domain flipping. What that is called? Domain flipping. So here, whenever you want to do the domain flipping, you have to do lot of research. Okay, you have to do the lot of research for future. So who may take the which domain, which kind of domain is more people are searching, or whether they can take it or not, how much they need to charge, everything you had. After that they have to purchase their registration should happen. After that they need to hold. Okay, so after that they will do the marketing also. So they will do different marketing. They will have their own websites, they will have their own channels, or they will go to the people and they will sell all digital marketing activities. Then also they will do. So if you want to do this kind of domain flipping, what you need to do is you have to go for short domains. Okay, short domains and memorable, easy to spell. So these will have the higher resale value. It is not that big website. Vijay digital marketing solution.com, it is not that much simple. Vijay, or one word, single words, these are the something. Okay, so these words will have the more thing. Like, so we have a marketplaces also. Okay, it is not that you need to go for your own website. We have a marketplace. What is marketplace? Like GoDaddy. You can reach this GoDaddy and you can tell to GoDaddy, I can sell this. So GoDaddy will also take some money. Okay, they will take some amount from the domain flipping. For example, 12,000 they are charging, they can charge for 2,000 or 1,000 for they also registration charges. Okay, so like this they will have a marketplace. There also you can go and sell them. Okay, regularly you need to monitor the industry technologies, all the things. So like this you can go for this. Okay, so and you have to see the registrations also. Here you can't take amazon.com or any other. So related to that, if you take that, you have to go for legal bindings also. You need to understand those things. Some companies will have a trademarks. This, if you can't go for this, that kind of activities also there. So make sure that that will aware of that. Uh, or else what happen? You may lose the amount. Okay. So this is the one kind of a market you can do for domain. Got it? So next is the, now we have taken the server, sorry, domain. Okay. So for example, I have taken domain like dot agency. I have taken. Okay. So what happened? So website is ready. No. Okay. So we have registered the name only. So a lot of people don't have any idea on the domain and server. They say that I have purchased a domain. Okay. And the website is not coming. They tell that their website is not coming. So how it comes? By taking it will not come. They will, some people also tell, start the doing the website. So they have registered the domain only. They have not taken the server. Okay. So with the server only, we can make the website. Without server, we can't make it. So you have to tell to the customer when you are going for freelance, especially freelance you are doing now. So people may uh, tell like this, start the work. So you need to ask the second is whether you are taking the server or not. If is yes, say yes, you need to ask the credential and you can start. If it is not, you have to take the server. So what is the server? What is server? Server is nothing but storage. Okay. So what is storage or space? Okay. So now we need to build. So domain is like for example land registration. Okay. We have registered land. Okay. You didn't build anything, so this property belongs to you only. Okay. No other person will come. It is just like that only. So if you want to build there, so then you need to have all these things, all the building materials, and you then you can build. So server is like all the building. So if you want to build apartment, or you want to build a single floor, or you want to go for multi-store, it depends on the your storage. Now you have to think, so what is your website, whether how many pages you want to build. So if it is agency, I have only 5 pages to build, so I can take less storage. Okay. Or else this is a e-commerce company, I have 500 products. Okay. 500 products are there, so I can't go for less, so I need more storage. Okay. So depend on the storage purposes, so we can go for big storages. So what is this server? We have a different types of servers as well. Okay. So we will go for that one. Okay. So what is server? Server is another kind of a software application. So computer, we can connect the domain. Servers are simply, we can store the files and run our applications. So when it started in early 50s and 60s, and slowly now we have got a big servers. Okay. We have a different LAN servers or different kind of a networks. So this is a very huge thing. Okay. We have a very technical. So presently we have a different applications also. We have a cloud application, web application, different kind of applications. Okay. So here we will see types of servers. So what are the types of servers? We have a web servers where you can host only web pages. Okay. Websites. Okay. Those are starts with HTTP, HTTPS. We have application servers also. Okay. So we have application servers like trading or build the Java application apps like that. Okay. So you go for the application server means apps. You can create a server for that. We have a database also. We have a database for like companies like Facebook, Twitter. They need a lot of database servers. So a lot of storage they need. Okay. We have file servers also. They can share like Deloitte. These are all go for these file servers. and mail servers. Mail servers is like that Gmail, Microsoft, and emails, all this kind of a mail servers. Okay, so we have a DNS servers where ISPs are built up, and FTP servers. What are these FTP servers? Like GoDaddy, Bluehost. These companies will have FTP. We want to send our files to server. This is a one kind of a tool, FTP server. And proxy servers. It is a different intermediate server. It will act a proxy means yeah, duplicate server also we can say. Okay. So gaming server like this, we have a different kind of servers. Okay. These are the introduction you can go through. So here what we will do, now we will choose the hosting. So server is also says hosting. So don't confuse. Tomorrow some people say host also, server also, one and the same. Okay. So we will see. In server, whenever you choose the server, what are the things you will get? These are the things. Okay. These are the things. We'll see later. First of all, we'll go to how to take the servers. So servers, which companies provide? Here, GoDaddy also will provide the servers as well. Okay, you can go to the servers. Here, website and hosting is there. You need to click on this. Okay, whenever you click on this, web hosting is there. Click on this. Now we have got. So we have a different plans. Okay, different plans. One is basic version, and we have a starter version, economy, different plans. Which one you want to take? It depends on the, as I said, depends if your website is 5 pages, you can take this one also. If you have very big size or 500 pages or 1000 pages is required, you can go for this depending on the GBs. Okay, storage. Okay, here they have given a lot of functionalities. So what they are offering, if you take basic one, so you can host single website can host. Okay, how much storage you will get? 10 GB you will get it, and one free domain also can take. Means if you take server, you can take domain free also. Okay, they provide also, and emails also you can provide, but limited GB. Okay, maybe in MB they will provide for 4 or 5 emails they will provide, and with this less space. Okay, SSL will be provided. Okay, no renewal, 30 days money guarantee. And here, if you don't like this server, you can exchange also. Okay, in servers, there is an option we can, for example, I have taken for 1 year 5,000 rupees. I'm not liking this. After 1 month, I can send it back. I can get 4,500 or 4,000, how much they charge, all these things. Okay, but in domain, if you take, you can't return back. So that is a problem with the domain. Whenever you are choosing a domain, you have to confirm 2 or 3 times the names also. Sometimes what happens, if you take the domains, for example, Vijay Digital, sometimes I mistakenly not written Y. So if I take this one, so this is registered, that is your name. You can't return back. Sorry, I just forgot my Y. This is not my. I want to take another. No, you have to pay again if another domain. Okay, so you have to be very cautious when you are taking the domain. Okay, for server
So,
you can return back. Yeah.
so now it is mandatory, right? We are taking domain, then server it should be, right?
Yes, yes, it is banded.
So when we are returning, in the sense we are returning, and we can take some other server. We can choose some other server.
Yes, yes.
That is
We
okay.
have already built 1 month. We have seen, but their efficiency, the service is not bad, very bad. So what we can do? So we
We'll
can
go for the next server.
next server, or
Okay.
if you have taken less server, that storage capacity is not worthwhile for us. Okay, so we
Okay.
can upgrade also. It is not that we have to go to another company. Sometimes what happens, we have taken small server, we can upgrade also. So those options also there. So here you can see all these kind of activities. Okay. So which one you want to take, you can take. Okay. So for example, I want to go for this basic starter one. I need to click on this. Here also you can see according to the registration, you can take 12 months and you can take 24 months or 60 months also. Depends. So how much you want to take? If you want to take 12 months, how much is charging? 2028 plus GST. GST will be 18%. So another 300-400 means 2500 it will come. Okay. If you go for 24 months, how much is charging? 3000 rupees. Okay. So after taking this, okay, everything is registered and then we will go for doing the connection. Okay. When you take the this one, okay, server. So now you need to join domain and server. Then only you can start doing the website. Start building the website. Okay. Otherwise we can't do. So compulsory server. When you take server, what kind of information you will get? Here you will get the DNS management. What is DNS management? DNS means domain name servers. So DNS is one kind of a technical name. DNS name servers. They will have some name servers. Okay, so you have to see those name servers also. After that, you will see some records also. Okay, what are these records? IP records we will see. Okay, so some maybe TXT records, some maybe A records or C name like that, DNS name, all or NS. These are the records. I'll show that also. So after that, you can configure. Then after configuration, we will see. I will show one server so that you will understand. We have taken already one server. So we have taken Hostinger. Here you can see the domains. Okay, like this. We have a hosting. Okay, whenever you go, this is a premium. Already some website is already live. Okay, here you can see a lot of information. Okay, so here you can see information. See website details like this. So okay. So here we can see a lot of information like hosting. Whenever you go for hosting, so like this, okay, name servers are there. Okay, some name servers are there, and you can see the how much space they have given. Okay, these are the some technical FTP is also there. Okay, server details. So these are the name servers are very important for us. Okay, so what are these name servers? How to do this? Tomorrow we will go for this connection between server and domain, how we will connect and how we will install WordPress. Okay, I'll show that one so that tomorrow you can build your own website or for others also. Okay, so any doubts today's class?
No, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow you will get another link, paid link. Okay, this is a free link. Tomorrow you will get it. You connect with that one. Okay.
Okay, sir. So class will be till Friday only, right?
Saturday is also there. You
Okay.
are going anywhere in Saturdays?
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday might not be possible, sir. If not, you'll share me the recordings, right? If
Okay.
suppose I'm not able
Fine,
to
fine.
attend the 7 to 8.
Okay. I'll share the recording. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Mujib Khan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.